Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So today is Monday. You understand? So me have a reason with some money now. You understand? So you want me now, especially to the Jamaican man them. Me I tell you say right now, if you not take care of the youth them now go come out to nothing. You understand what I mean? As long as the youth not get support, he intend to spoil. You understand? Youth have to get proper food, we develop them brain. You understand? And go to school, taking their education, we take on the world. You understand? So when you have a youth, you can't judge upon him. You understand? If you judge upon the youth and not support the youth will get destroyed. You understand? And when the youth get destroyed, you remember say the youth is a part of you. You understand? But whole heap of the man then get chopped. You understand? A whole heap of we get chopped in our business. You understand what I mean? Cause you know, say a whole heap of man get jacket. You understand? And so that's one of the things when enough man not really want to mind a youth. You understand? Cause as long as they're eligible and some women say money I run your way. Then just have picnic and just want to trip on you. You understand what I mean? But we have a way now to overcome that as a man. Yeah, man. So when the man have a youth now, you do DNA, run DNA like water, man. May I tell you that? Yeah, run DNA and take care of youth. Because if you take care of youth enough and the youth reach all 22, 23 year old, you don't have to worry about him again, you know. You understand? And done school and thing and done college, and just take on the world and can manage good. You understand what I mean? But if you not do not for youth, what you think about youth are go fan tap on the road, man, and turn gunman and police kill him or and turn scammer or something, you understand? And have to look out for the general man them. Cause enough man make you see whole heap of man afraid for your pitney now. You man them a use the pitney them as business. You understand? Especially Jamaican woman. Anytime a Jamaican woman breed, no, a pitney is business. Sometimes a business for them whole family. May I tell you? Because if you was a man where they see say have it money like that, they then take him for business for the whole family. Brother, sister, auntie, uncle, mother, you understand? And even some of my father them, you understand what I mean? So me I tell myself, wise up youth. You understand? I'm mind on the youth. You understand? I make youth then come out to something. I make police and soldier stop killing youth. I make youth them stop kill themselves. You